Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed. Welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, here I bring to you some amazing automation techniques by which you can do your work and your business swiftly and efficiently. And here in this video, I would like to show you an automation technique by which you can automatically add your Facebook leads into GetResponse application, which is a marketing tool based on the choices that your leads have selected, right? So let me show you what is actually happening here. So guys, here I have taken the example of Facebook leads to generate leads. Okay. So with the help of Facebook lead ads, you are creating leads for your business. Okay. So in this Facebook lead ad form, you have given some choices to your viewers or visitors. Okay. So whenever they select any choice and submit the lead ad form, you are going to generate a lead, and the same lead will be transferred here in GetResponse application in a specific tag or list based on the choices they have made here in Facebook lead ad form. Yes guys, and all this can happen automatically. And guys, to make this happen, we are using an application here called as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation tool which will connect these two applications together, and these two applications do not have any native connection. So with the help of this application, we are connecting these two applications together such that whenever you generate a lead from Facebook lead ads, the same lead will get automatically transferred here in GetResponse application under a specific tag or in a list. And guys, the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this automation is going to work and how you can also make it. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see I'm in my Facebook business suite, and here I have created these Facebook lead ad forms for the ads that we are running on this page, Packers and Movers. So we have taken the example of Packers and Movers business, and here we have attached this Facebook lead ad forms, Packers and Movers. Here you can see, and in this Facebook lead ad form we have given choices for our leads like this. So they can select the service type from this lead ad form, like if they want to transfer their stuff for the same city or onto the same state. Okay, so as per these choices, we are going to transfer the leads here on this GetResponse application under these tags that we have here. So you can see we have these tags here. Let me show you. Okay, so we have the tags here as same city and same state, and we have the choices here in our lead ad form as same for same city and for same state. So according to the selected choice, any specific lead will be added to the specific tag in GetResponse, which is a marketing tool. Okay, so let me show you. I'm selecting this same state option here, and I'm filling the details of the person now. Okay, so I have filled the email ID and the name and the phone number. Okay, and then I'm clicking on next here and submit, and you can see it is showing thanks, here all set. That means a new test lead has been sent. You can see here. Now let's check if this lead, according to the selected option, which is same state, delivered here or not in this same state tag in our GetResponse application. So I'm going to click on show contacts here. So guys, the first step to create this automation is to sign up in your Pabbly Connect account. Okay, so from this page, by typing PABBLY, that is pabbly.com/connect in your internet browser, you can reach this page, and from here you can sign up for free for your free Pabbly Connect trial account. Okay, so after signing up, you can sign in, and when you sign in, you will reach this page, the all apps section of Pabbly. From here, you have to click on this access now button of Pabbly Connect, and that will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. Okay, so guys, here's the place where you have to start working actually, and you can start here by creating a workflow. So you have to create a workflow by clicking here on create workflow button like this, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So guys, I filled the name here as this, send Facebook leads to specific tags in GetResponse. Okay, after that you can click on create here, and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and in this page the first two things you will find here is this, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. All right, so in our use case, the trigger would be any new lead generated from our Facebook lead ads, and the action to that trigger would be to send the same lead to a specific tag in GetResponse application. Okay, guys. So first of all, by clicking here on this trigger window, you have to select your trigger application, which is Facebook lead ads. So you have to type here Facebook lead ads. Okay, so this is it. Select the application first. Okay, and then in the trigger event you have to select the trigger event, which is new lead. Okay, so click on new lead. Okay, then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection option, and then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so that will bring you to the login window of Facebook if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in here, so it just get connected automatically like this. Okay, you can see it started showing connected here, and now it is asking for the page's name and the lead generation form name. So we have this page here, you can see we have this page here, packers and movers. Okay, so first let me select the page. So when you click here on the page field, it will show you in this drop down all the pages that you can have in your Facebook. So these are all the pages I have created in my Facebook for various reasons, and my page that I want to select here is this, packers and movers. Okay, so I'm selecting this here, and you can see the lead generation form get automatically selected here, and you can see we have all these forms attached. You can see in this business suite of Facebook we have these two forms, and I have also some more archived forms here. Okay, so in your lead generation form field, when you click here, it will show you all the forms that you have created, and I'm going to select this one, packers and movers final form. Okay, like this. And now when you click here on save and send test request, it will bring the data of most recent lead generated from Facebook lead ads form to here in Pabbly Connect. So let me show you how it is going to capture the data. So we are going to generate a new lead again, and then we will capture the data. So I'm going to my Facebook lead ad testing tool. From here I'm going to generate a test lead. Okay, so this is my form. So I have selected the service type as for the same city. Okay, so this lead want to get their stuff transferred in same city, and this is the name of the person, Ashok Kumar, and the other details. Now I'm going to click on next here and submit this form, and you can see a new test lead has been sent. Now let's capture the data of this lead here in Pabbly Connect. Here I'm going to click on save and send test request now, and let's see. Okay, so you can see in this response the data is captured here like this. It is showing us the name, the email, the choice this person has selected, all the things. Okay, now we want to send this person Ashok Kumar in a tag in GetResponse for the same city. Okay, so we have these tags here in our GetResponse application. You can see two of the tags. Okay, so these are the tags you can see here, the same city and the same state. So in these tags we want to add this person. Okay, so we want to add this person in same city tag. For that, what you have to do, you have to set two routes here. Okay, one route is for the person who is selecting the choice as this. Let me show you in the form. So one route is for this choice for the same city, and second route is for this choice for same state. Okay, so with the help of routers, we are going to do this. So click on this action window, and you have to choose routers by Pabbly here. So this is the router here. Okay, so this is a feature of Pabbly in which you can set conditional routers, so it will work on both of conditions. So first let's set up our first condition. Okay, so in this route one, I'm going to click here on set filter and action steps. Okay, and here it will automatically show you a filter. So this is how we are going to apply a condition. So our first condition is that let's say someone select this option for same city. Okay, so for that you have to apply a filter here which will look like this. So you can see in this data that we have captured, it is showing in this select service type label for same city. This means our lead that has been captured here has selected this choice. Okay, so with the help of this label we are going to apply a filter here in the route 1. Okay, like this. So here you can see in this filter it is asking select your label. So when you click here, you will find this Facebook lead ads option readily available here, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have captured in the first step. Okay, so here you will find the label, which is this select service type. Okay, so select this label and make the filter type equals to. Okay, and here in this value we are going to paste this value. Let me show you this value here. Just copy this select service type. This is the label. So just copy this value of this label for same city. Okay, like this. Okay, and here in this route 1 in the filter in which we have selected this label service type equal to, and in this value paste the same value that we have received. Okay, and click here on save and send test request now. So you can see it started showing this kind of response. The status is success and the message condition is true here because our lead has selected this same city choice. Okay, so it is showing the condition is true. Now if this condition matches true, what we want to add this person into a tag here in GetResponse application in the tag which is same city only. Okay, for that what you have to do, click here on this plus icon and you can see another actions tab will open up here, and from here you have to choose your action application which is GetResponse. Okay, so this is GetResponse, we have select it, and in this action event you have to select create a new contact option. Okay, so actually we are creating a contact but in a specific tag. Okay, so click on connect here and from this window select add new connection, and here you can see it is asking for the API key. So you will find the API key in your GetResponse account. Okay, when you log in into your account you will find the key. So you can just click here on this here tag like this, and it will redirect you to the GetResponse application onto the page where you can get the API key like this. So this is the key. Just copy this key from here and paste the key here in this field, in this API key field like this, and before this API key you have to put this API key like this, paste it here. So this is a string extension we need to paste here like this. Okay, and put a space in between the API key and the actual key, and then click on save here. Okay, so it started showing connected here, right? Now it is asking to choose the campaign. So you know that GetResponse is a marketing tool in which you can create marketing campaigns. So you have to select that campaign. We only have one campaign here with the name of Ashira824. So I'm selecting this campaign. Now it is asking for the name, the email address, and all these things to create a contact here. And you can see it is also showing us in which tag you want to add this contact. Okay, so our lead has selected this choice for same city. So I'm going to select the tag here as same city. Okay, and the day of cycle. Okay, so with the help of GetResponse, you can auto respond to your leads and send them emails, as it is a marketing tool. So you can set the cycle of the autoresponder. You can see here, set the field to 0 if you have to contact, if to have the contact entered into beginning of the cycle. Okay, so if you put 0 here, the person you're adding will receive the email for the first, the person who is going to enter here in this tag will be the first person to receive the email through GetResponse. So GetResponse will email him first. Then if you put it here once, so it will come on second and third and fourth and so on. So this is a kind of cycle in which you can send the email through GetResponse. Okay. And in the IP address, I do not want to put anything. This is not a compulsory thing. And in the name, let me map the name that we got from the first tab. So you can see, let me first, okay, name is required. So you can see in the first tab, we have captured the data of the lead from Facebook. Okay. So when you click here on this name field, you will find the Facebook lead ads option here. And when you click on it, you will find all the details that you have captured from the first tab. And here you will find the name as well. So map the name by clicking on it like this. And from the same place, you will find the email as well from Facebook lead ads. Okay. So this is the email. Okay. Right. So by mapping these things, what will happen when you map data, as and when a new lead generated and Pabbly Connect captures the data will be mapped automatically and sent to GetResponse automatically. That's why we are mapping these details here. Okay. So after mapping all the details, click here on Save and Send Test Request, and you will see that the same person here will be added in our GetResponse application in this same city tag. Let me show you first here in our tag. So I'm opening the same city tag here in my GetResponse application, and currently we have these two people here, Haider Khan and Shamita. And now let me click here on Save and Send Test Request in Pabbly Connect, and let's see if our connection is working properly or not. So it started showing this kind of response here. Let's check in our GetResponse application. And you can see in the same city tag, Ashok Kumar added here automatically, right? Like this, where all the details. So our connection with GetResponse is working properly. So, and our first route is set. So click on Save here and then click on OK, click on Done. Now it is time to set up our second route. So click here on Set Filters and Actions tab. And now in this filter, we are going to select the same label, which is this one. Let me show you the service type label. Okay. And make the filter type equals to, but here in this value, now we are going to add the value as this. Let me show you. So when any lead select the service type as same city, it will show the label like this for same city. Okay. And our other option was for the same state. Okay, so it will show something like this for same state. So we are copying this format from here, and in place of city, I'll just replace it with state. Okay, so I'm pasting it here, and in the place of city, I'm making it state. Okay, like this, and click here on Save and Send Test Request. And you can see now it is showing the condition is false, because the condition is actually false. The lead which we have captured here right now selected same city, not same state choice. So that's why it is showing the condition is false. But when in real time, when our lead select this option, which is the same state, this condition will be going to be true. Okay, in real time. So when this condition will be meeting true, we want to add that lead into a different tag, which is same state tag here in our GetResponse. For that to happen, what you have to do, now the condition is false, but when in real time, when our lead select this condition will meet true, and when this condition will be true, we want to add the same person to a different tag, which is the same state tag in our GetResponse application. कितनी बार बोलूंगा मैं वही चीज यार. But in real time, guys, when any lead select this option for same state, this condition will be going to be true. Okay. and when this condition will be true, we want to send the same person on to get response application in this tag, which is the same state tag. Okay, for that to happen automatically, what you have to do, click here on this plus icon, and from this actions tab choose get response application again. Okay, like this. And here in this action event, you have to select create a new contact. Okay, and then click on connect. Okay, and from this window, now you can select existing connection option, because we have already made the connection with get response in route 1. So just click on save here. Okay, and we are connected with get response, and this now you can select the campaign from this field. Okay, and here we are going to map the details of the person which we have captured. Okay, so now we are going to select the same details that we have right now for the same city tag. But as I've told you, when you map things like this, the things will get changed automatically in real time. Okay, so in real time, when someone is going to select this same state option, the data of that person will be changed automatically here, because we have mapped the details. Okay, so right now just map the things which we have right now from this Facebook lead ads option. Map the name here as Ashok Kumar only, the email of Ashok, which is this. Okay, and in the IP I'm leaving this blank right now. Date of cycle you can choose to be 0 or 1 as you want. Okay, so when you make it 1, the email will be delivered secondly to this lead. Okay, so this is according to you, you can choose to make it 0 or 1 or 2 or anything. Okay, and in this tag option, now we are going to select same state. Okay, so we are making this route for same state people. Okay, right now click here and save and send test request, and you can see it will not yeah, you can see it will show you this error code. Okay, this means the contact is already added, as we have already added this contact for the same city option in the route 1, so that's why it is not adding this contact again. But in real time, when you will get a new contact from this selected option, which is the same state, this workflow will continue and the contact will be added. I can show you in the real time first. So our route 2 is complete now. Just click on save here. So our whole automation process is completed. Now first let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we selected our trigger application, which is Facebook lead ads. Okay. After that, we selected the page and the form, then captured the data of a test lead by generating that lead manually from the lead ad testing tool like this. After that, we set up two routes for the two given options that we have given to our leads here in our lead ad form. First route is for the same city option. So here we have a filter and actions tab, and in this filter we have applied this service labels equal to for same city and the condition match true for our lead like this, and we added that lead here onto the same tag according to the selected choice same city. Okay, and you have seen that we have the lead added here in get response. After that, we set up the route for the second selected option, which is the same state. Okay, but right now the data we have of the lead is for the same city, so when we applied the filter, it showed us that condition is false. That is okay, because in real time when condition will met true, the workflow will continue and it will run. Okay, then we in this actions tab connected get response application again, mapped the same details, because when we map the details, the datas will be changed in real time. Okay, and here you can see when I clicked here on save and send test request, after selecting this tag same state, it started showing this kind of response, and it is showing the error info as there is another resource or the contact already added here. Okay, so that is completely okay. It will work in real time. Let me show you. Just click on save here and our workflow is completed now. Okay. Now let me show you how it is going to work in real time for the for the second option. So here I'm going to select, first let me delete the previous lead. Okay. Okay, I'm opening my preview form again, and here I'm going to select same state and let me alter the details a bit. Okay, and now the lead is this one, Harsha Yadav, and this is the number. Okay, and I'm clicking on next here and submitting this form. Okay, done, right? A new test lead has been generated. Now let's see in GetResponse application in which tag, in the same state tag. Okay, same state, and I'm clicking on apply. And let me refresh this list here. And you can see the contact added here automatically in this same tag, same state. Okay, this is it. Harsha Yadav is added here. So connection is working properly, the automation is working fine. And guys, you can use this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account, as I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly trial account and starting using this automation instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you got any query regarding our business automation, you can ask and discuss your queries from this forum. And guys, if you want to check the pricing of this application, you can use this link. And if our automations are helping you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.